It gives us immense pleasure in welcoming you all for the first graduation ceremony of Sri Venkateshwara Dental College. This is a much awaited event in every student's life, as it gives the returns to the effort put in by them throughout the academic endeavor. It gives us upon the candidates whom the Pondicherry University has been certified to be the worthy of the same. Thank you, ma'am. To give a red carpet welcome.
Good evening, one and all gathered here. It's a great honor and privilege to propose the welcome address on this first graduation ceremony of Sri Venkateshwara Dental College. First and foremost, I thank the Almighty for always showering His countless blessings upon us. It is indeed a memorable occasion for us to have our Honorable Chief Minister, Mr. Rangasamy, as the chief guest. And with pleasure, I also welcome our Agriculture Minister, C. Jayakumar. Thank you, sir. We are also delighted to grace the presence of our chairman, Ramachandran sir. He has been a source of encouragement to us in all our endeavors. We welcome you, sir. A hearty welcome to our founder trustee, Srimati Radha Ramachandran, ma'am. She has always been a pillar of support for our institution. My warm welcome to our managing director, Thiru Rajiv Krishna, and our chief operating officer, Vidya, for gracing this occasion. I take immense pleasure in welcoming the Dean of Medical College, Dr. Ratnasamy sir, our Dean PG, Dr. Mahadevan sir, to this grand occasion. I all welcome all the faculties of medical, dental, principals, vice principals, HODs, managers and non-teaching staff of Sri Venkateshwara Group of Institution. I now take immense happiness in welcoming the stars of today evening, our dear graduates and their parents for this grand occasion. I welcome you all. I also welcome the police band, press and media, fire safety persons for this gathering. Hope this evening turns out to be the most memorable one. I once again welcome you all and I wish you all success to our graduates for their future endeavors. Thank you.
Good evening, ladies and gentlemen. It is indeed my privilege and honor to stand before this august gathering to present the college report of our esteemed institution. Although it may look like mere coincidence, it is truly the vision of our chairman to bring our Honorable Chief Minister, the N. Rangaswamy, once again to our campus. For the kind information of the audience, I would like to remind all that our college was inaugurated way back at 2014 by our own Chief Minister, the N. Rangaswamy. From the time onwards, our institution has grown in leaps and bounds in all possible dimensions. To highlight few academic achievements, I am proud to say our first batch students have excelled in all university examinations with pass percentage of 94. Our second batch students have excellent pass percentage of around 90. Our first batch student, Dr. Shruti, has excelled in all university examinations and has bagged gold medal for the same. Dr. Mubina Begum, another gold medalist from the second batch, has the distinction of securing highest mark in all university examinations. Apart from academics, we also excel in extracurricular activities. To highlight few, Mr. D. Vijay Kumar represented India in International Softball Championship held at Thailand in the year 2017-18 and won gold medal. Ms. Tuminisha, who represented India in the first South Asian Ataya Pataya Championship held at Bhutan in 2018-19. Ms. D. Madhumita was declared state winner in Roller Skating Championship held in the year 2019. Mr. Shanmuga Priyan was declared winner in the International Martial Art Championship held at Pondicherry in 2017. Mr. Mukeshwaran enrolled his name in Kalam Book of Records for playing percussion instrument continuously for 10 hours. Our student brought laurels by actively participating in various inter-college cultural, sports and academic competitions and also in national and international conferences. We have signed a MOU with Vinayaga Mission Deemed University and Adi Parashakti Dental College and have conducted various student-faculty exchange program, and we are on the way to sign MOU with Savita University and then Ramachandra University. Our faculties have actively participated and completed various online courses through Swayam and other e-learning portals, and we have trained our faculty through international certificate program with AIMS University Malaysia in communication skill for healthcare professionals. Our institution never misses a chance to celebrate all the commemorative days. To name few, we regularly celebrate National Dentist Day, National Toothbrushing Day, International Yoga Day, World No Tobacco Day, and so on. Through Unnat Bharat Abhiyan, our college has adopted 5 nearby villages and continue to extend our services to them. To inculcate social responsibility in young hearts, our students have actively participated in a huge hair donation camp to help cancer patients. Our chairman was magnanimous enough to fund our state government a sum of rupees 10 lakh to overcome this COVID crisis. From 2020, our institution has achieved the distinction of being an ISO 21001-2018 certified institute. We have started post-graduation from the academic year 2020-21 in 4 departments, and we have got consent of approval for 2 more departments which will be starting next year. And 31 alumni students appeared for PG NEET exam, and 30 of them have successfully cleared, and 8 have already joined postgraduate. And our faculties have around 150 publications till now, and we have successfully registered 1 patency and 2 copyright as of now, and 5 patents are yet to be filed very shortly. And Dr. Jilani is associate editor of our institutional journal in the name of Sri Venkateshwara Journal of Health Science, and we are in the process of actively contributing to the success of it. To nurture the habit of innovation among our students, we have fully functional institutional innovation council, and we are in the process of registering NAC, and I am sure with the able guidance from our chairman and the excellent teamwork from the entire SVGI group, we will successfully get accredited with A++ shortly. Thank you one and all.
Thank you, Dr. Imran. Dr. Aravind M.
Sir. Coming over.
Dr. Apurva P.
Sir? No. Okay.
Dr. Aravind M. Dr. R.T.V. Dr. Arun Raj G.
Sir?
Dr. Ashika M.
Okay, sir.
Dr. Bhavadharni B. Dr. Pavitra S. Dr. Bhargavi Lakshmi B.
Okay.
Dr. Edilarasi S.
Sir? Okay.
Dr. Giridharan D. Dr. Gomati M.
Okay.
Dr. Gopalakrishnan R. Dr. Hasina Banu M. Dr. Induja K. Dr. Indumati S. Dr. Israt Begum I. Dr. Aishwarya S. J. Dr. Jhansi Rani P. Jeevita R. Dr. Jagadambal S. Jagadambal R. Dr. Jennifer Bimra P. Dr. Kamleyan S. Dr. Kaushik P. Dr. Kavita S. Dr. Kaviyarasi D. Dr. Madhumati K. Dr. Merlin Asha A. Dr. Murugan S. Dr. Nadia R. Dr. Nandini Devi N. Dr. Nandini E. Dr. Nitya S. Dr. Nivedita D. Dr. Pavitra D. Dr. Prasanna P. Dr. Priyadarshini G. Dr. Priyanka N. Dr. Priyanka M. Dr. Rahul I. Dr. Rahul Chaurashia M. Dr. Rai Raghavi. Dr. Rajalakshmi I. Dr. Rajama Devi. Dr. Rameez Fatima. Dr. Ramya R. Dr. Ramya R. Dr. Renuka Devi. Dr. Ritu S. Dr. Rohini K. Dr. Samita T. Dr. Saranya S. Dr. Shabana S.T. Dr. Shashidharan P. Dr. Shiva Shirley G. Dr. Shri Priya N. Dr. Soumya C. Dr. Soumya Damodaran. Dr. Srinidhi M.K. Dr. Sudarshana S. Dr. Subhashni P. Dr. Suresh Priyan S. Dr. Shweta G. Dr. Tangamala Kritika K. Dr. Vasigara A.M. Dr. Vignesh K. Dr. Vishnu Prabhu G. Dr. Vishnu Prasad K. Dr. Yasmin A.T. Dr. Yogeshwaran Nelu S. Dr. Rohini K. Now I call upon students of batch 2015. I request Dr. Sudhakar Sir, Vice Principal, to turn the muzzle for our graduates. Dr. Abhirami. Dr. Akshay Vardhini. Dr. Akshaya P. Dr. Aravindan G. Dr. Archana S. Dr. Aarti S. Dr. Aruna S. Dr. Bhuvnesh. Dr. Dixon. Dr. Ilam Paradi. Dr. Haripriya R. Dr. Harshavardhan S. Dr. Ignatius Genovesi R. Dr. Aishwarya E.R. Dr. Jackson Melinda Singh A. Dr. Kanimuri R. Dr. Kavya G. Dr. Kirtana G.
Sir.
Dr. Kishan MP. Dr. Kishan MP.
Sir.
Dr. Krishna Priya D.
ಇದು ಕೊಂಡು ಬಿಡಲಿ ಅಲ್ಲ
ಇದನ್ನ CM ಅಲ್ಲ
ಇಲ್ಲ ಅದು ಕೇಳಿದ್ರೆ
Dr. Krishna Priya.
ಸರ್
Dr. Lankesh Sagar. Dr. Lokesh S.
ಓಕೆ ಸರ್
Dr. Madhumantini D.
ಲೈವ್ ಬಿಡು ಸರ್
Dr. Monica Masina S. Dr. Muthukumaran M. Dr. Nihal Ahmad A. Dr. Niruti S. Dr. Nityashree K. Dr. Niveta T. Dr. Pooja Sanghamitra S. Dr. Preeti A. Dr. Priyadarshini T.R. Dr. Punita P. Dr. Ramakrishnan B. Dr. Ramba M.R. Dr. Ramesh Kumar N. Dr. Ramya E. Dr. Rashida Padninya.
Okay, sir.
Dr. Rizwana M.A. Dr. Ruben Kumar V. Dr. Sakshi S. Dr. Sangeeta A. Dr. Santosh M. Dr. Santosh R. Shankari S. Dr. Shiva Shankari B. Dr. Snega R.
Madam, sister.
Dr. Sridevi H. Dr. Snega R. Dr. Sridevi H. Dr. Srimati N. Dr. Subhashini S. Dr. Sundar Vadivel K. Dr. Svetamari CMR. Dr. Sveta R.
Sir.
Dr. Tanmati alias Tirai. Dr. Tarani M.
Sir. Sir.
Dr. Vigneshwaran B. Dr. Vishali A. Dr. Yogeshwari D.
In all 8 subjects belongs to our college for the first batch, and all 8 subjects belongs to the second batch. So 16 students will be receiving silver medal and 2 students will be receiving the gold medal. Thank you.
2014 to receive the medal. 2014 goes to Dr. Shruti. Now I call upon Dr. Shruti to collect the medals. Sir, kindly do the honors.
Medal. Sir, you, sir. Sir. Okay, sir.
Congratulations, Dr. Shruti. Now let's move on to the subject toppers for the first batch. Oral Medicine, Dr. Shahina Junaid.
பாருங்க ஓகே
Prosthodontics, Dr. Shweta B, Dr. Shri Vijay Kumari C.
Madam. Madam.
Dr. Shri Vijay Kumari C.
Madam.
Pedodontics, Dr. Shri Vidya M.
Sir? Sir?
For public health dentistry, periodontics and orthodontics, Dr. Shruti have back to it. Moving on to the second batch, gold medal for the batch 2015 goes to Dr. Mubina Begum. Subject toppers for the second batch are Dr. S. Akshaya for public health industry.
Madam, certificate.
Prosthodontics, Dr. Vishali Kartika. Oral surgery, Dr. Vinit John Rosario. Dr. G. Santosh. Periodontics, orthodontics, oral medicine and periodontics, Dr. Mumina Begum.
With the assembly session. So with these blessings, we are continuing the session. Thank you.
Reciting the Hippocratic Oath. I request the graduates to rise up and extend your right hand for the pledge. Please repeat as the pledge is taken. A very good evening to one and all. First of all, congratulations to all the graduates. All of you extend your right hand and repeat the pledge as I say. I solemnly pledge to dedicate my life to the service of humanity. The health and well-being of my patient will be my first consideration. I will respect the autonomy and dignity of my patient. I will maintain the utmost respect for human life. I will not permit considerations of age, disease or disability, creed, ethnic origin, gender, nationality, political affiliation, race, sexual orientation, social standing, or any other factor to intervene between my duty and my patient. I will respect the secrets that are confided in me even after the patient has died. I will practice my profession with conscience and dignity and in accordance with good dental practice. I will foster the honor and noble traditions of the dental profession. I will give to my teachers, colleagues and students the respect and gratitude that is their due. I will share my medical knowledge for the benefit of the patient and the advancement of healthcare. I will attend to my own health for the well-being and abilities in order to provide care of the highest standard. I will not use my medical knowledge to violate human rights and civil liberties even under threat. I shall abide by the course of dental ethics as enumerated by Dental Council of India. I make these promises solemnly, freely, and upon my honor. Thank you very much.
Good evening, one and all. It gives me great pleasure and happiness to deliver the presidential address on the occasion of first convocation ceremony of Sri Venkateshwar Dental College. This is indeed a proud moment for all of us. The Dental College was inaugurated in 2014 by our Honorable CM Thiru N. Rangasamy. And we are once again fortunate to have him, but unfortunately he was held up in the assembly. Since today is a budget session, he have to give a speech in the assembly, and still it's keep going. Assembly proceedings are going, so he conveyed his regards to all the graduates, and he will be participating in some other function. He has given that assurance. I thank him for accepting this invitation for this graduation day. Since 2014, from the year it was started, as our dental college has emerged as one of the best dental colleges in both academics and patient care. This is reflected in the university results. Both our first and second batch students have bagged the university gold medals and set a standard for the fellow juniors. I wish a great journey for them. Apart from that, in the entire batch, if we take the first batch have given more than 90%, both the batches have given above 90% results, and bagged all the medals. Out of 8 subjects, all the medals have been bagged by our college. It's really a proud moment. Congratulations for my students, for my faculties who have dedicated and molded you up. Henry Ford wisely said, coming together is a beginning, keeping together is progress, and working together is success. I must compliment our principal, Dr. Senthil Nathan, and his entire team for their relentless commitment and dedication. I appreciate every teaching staff of SVDC for keeping up exceptional standards. I know our principal personally involved in everything right from the beginning, and he is so much dedicated in finding out each and everything. Right from inception, he has joined our institution. I used to see he himself runs here and there, be very active, and makes achievements and goals to me if something doesn't reach him. Right from morning 6 o'clock up to night 10 o'clock, he calls me. See that it reaches the college. Thanks for your dedication, sir. I'm especially happy to address the students, those energetic young dentists who are graduating today and getting their degrees. My heartiest congratulations to each and every one of them, and special wishes to those who have won medals. This is a landmark moment in your lives. Your success is a result of hard work as well as the efforts of your teachers and professors and the sacrifices of your families. Your parents have taken lot of pains to bring you here and coach you and brought you up to this level. So you have to be very thankful to your parents, to your family members. Now you have responsibility on your shoulders. Do remember that your services are needed for the society. Patients and their families have great trust in you. It is upon you to ensure that their trust is given due respect and that you treat them with care and compassion. All the best graduates, this is your day. Enjoy with your families and celebrate your success with pride. This graduation day is the happiest moment for all of us. Thank you, one and all. Thank you.
Thank you, sir. It's time to honor a founder operating officer, Dr. Vidya ma'am, to do the honors. I request our principal, Dr. Sindhanathan sir, to honor our managing director, Sri Raju Krishna sir.
Good evening, ladies, gentlemen, and the graduates. It's my proud privilege to propose the vote of thanks in this special occasion. First and foremost, I will extend my thanks to the Almighty God for making this event successful. I would like to thank the Honorable Chief Minister Rangasamy sir for accepting the invitation, though due to some circumstances he was been missing the session. So always we need his support. Thank you, sir. Actually. I thank our chairman, Sri V. Ramachandran sir, who is always a constant support system and a great leader. Thank you, sir. I extend my gratitude to our founder chairman, Srimati Radha Tamachandran ma'am, for constant motivation. Thank you, ma'am. I wholeheartedly extend my gratitude to our managing director, Thiru Rajiv Krishnan sir, and CEO madam, Dr. Vidya, for their support and the guidance. Thank you, sir. I extend my heartfelt thanks to Dr. Ratnasamy sir, Dean, Sri Venkateshwara Medical College and Hospital, and Dr. Mahadevan sir, Dean PG Research, for gracing this occasion. Thank you, sir. I also thank all the deans, principals, vice principals, faculties, administrative officials, and non-teaching staffs of SVJ Group for helping us for past 1 week. Thank you so much, sir. I take this opportunity to thank our principal, Professor Dr. Sindhanathan sir. He has been a backbone for us throughout this function. Thank you, sir. Then I also take my extended gratitude to the vice principals, HODs, faculty members, non-teaching staffs of SVDC who helped to turn this event a great success. I also thank the graduates for participating in the program. We are not obedient to the parents who just came here to participate and they gave the suggested constant valuable support for us. Thank you for the parents and the graduates who just took part in the event. Last but not least, I also thank the press, media, police department, fire and safety department for their support. Once again, I thank you all. May God bless you.
I dissolve this convocation. Congratulations to our graduates of batch 2014 and 15. We are all proud of you. You worked hard.
Good afternoon, everyone. So it's warm welcome from our SPDC faculties and alumni association to welcome you all for this wonderful gathering. So first of all, we'll start with the So we'll just start with lighting of Puttula because it's the first alumni meet in light session. We'll start with that. So just give a welcome address and small speech.
Good evening, everyone. And our busy discussion. We thought that the convocation that very glad to see you all after a long time. Every year you try to meet somewhere. Alumni meet and your valuable suggestion regarding the alumni association, anything we have to rectify or improve, suggestions are always welcome. நம்ம கூகுள்ல கொடுக்குறோம் feedback form இல்லையா? Feedback form கூகுள்ல அனுப்புறோம், கொஞ்சம் fill பண்ணி give your suggestions. Thank you. I welcome your parents also for this conversation.
Welcome President Dinesh sir for just given a few words.
As President of Alumni Association, I welcome you all for the first Alumni. Happy to see you all after a long time. Hope so one thing is always
Now I just follow up on Rahul Chaurasya. So few words.
First president me, India's president me, Nina first president.
A very good afternoon to one and all present here. That remains unchanged to find the ways in which yourself have altered. It is my privilege to deliver the word of thanks and acknowledge the support and contribution of all those who have worked hard to make this alumni meet happen today. First and foremost, I thank the Almighty for making today's alumni meet happen successful with His blessing and grace. And my special thanks to our beloved Chairman Sir, COO Ma'am, Principal Sir, Vice Principal Sir, all HOD and staff, and all other important members of management of Sri Venkateshwara Group of Institutions. And my heartfelt thanks to the Alumni Association Committee members who have worked hard to make this alumni meet a grand success. And my sincere thanks to all the alumni members of my batch and my junior batch for their presence. And finally, I would like to thank other non-teaching staffs, technical staff, in charges, housekeeping for helping us in the arrangement of this alumni meet today. Thank you very much.
Second batch ex-president, just give few words on board of administration.
As usual,
Good afternoon to the respectable staff and principal sir and all the alumni who have gathered here. Everything I wanted to say already, my senior president has already said it, so I have nothing to say more. But I thank everyone of you for coming here, especially the busy schedule. We are all stuck in different types of work. We are stuck in practice, preparation for PG, but it's just one day in the year that we get to meet each other like this. So I hope this continues every year, and I hope you see you all again next year. Thank you.
Thank you.
Anybody want to say?
Thank you, Will. So, few important things that about organization, I'll just tell you all. First thing is, Alumni Association is just the beginning, not like other colleges like having 4 much years. It's in the beginning of alumni association. Only 2 batches has gone out, and we are registered alumni association in Pondicherry along with the government in name of Sri Venkateshwara Dental College Alumni Association. It is registered in March of August. So in 3rd of August we are registered alumni association. And secondly, we are just made we need to make a separate account actually for with Axis Bank. So PAN card is ready. So with 3 members in it, Dinesh sir, our principal and Yuvraj sir be the members of it for signing authority for the amount. And total amount that is there in alumni association is your first batch that is 80,000 and second batch 96,000. Total around like 1,60,000 something is there in our college. So most probably by next week once we open our account, all the money will be deposited over there. And once the money is there, we need to make an alumni second alumni association, and hopefully that alumni association money will get into the corpus, and whatever interest we are getting that, we need to use it for some purpose. And every year we need to show audit, and audit should be filed in register, and it should be showed to the NAC association. So this is the basic format of alumni association. Once after 3 or 4 months, the third batch money will be collected over there. All the 3 batches money will be deposited, and from that what corpus we are getting from that money will be used for the things whatever we need at all. That will be discussed along with the members, and it will be taken a decision. So any students in need of books, any students of really need of fund for this money, we will be using this money with all the members discussions. So this is all the things we need to discuss. So any suggestions from your part or anything which you need to guide from us, do join us.
We have appointed any president for without anybody's knowledge. 5 பேர் கையெழுத்து போட்டாதான் ஆபரேட்டே பண்ண முடியும் பைசா எடுக்கிறதுக்கு. ஸோ மணி யாருமே ஒன்றுமே தொட முடியாது. It is secured. உங்களுக்கு என்னென்ன ஆக்டிவிட்டிஸ் பண்ணணும் அந்த மணியை வச்சுன்னு சொன்னீங்கன்னா we can do lot of service to people who in need. ஏதாவது ஒரு டிசாஸ்டர் அந்த மாதிரி வரும்போதெல்லாம் we can do some favors. அதெல்லாம் கொஞ்சம் கான்ட்ரிபியூட் பண்றவங்க சம்பாதிக்க ஆரம்பிக்கணும். இப்ப சொல்லல, even after 5 years you are alumni. அப்ப காசு இருக்கும்போது kindly you can send the money ஒரு 2000 5000 இந்த மாதிரி பேங்க் அக்கவுண்ட் இஸ் டிரான்ஸ்பரண்ட். நீங்களே மணி ட்ரான்ஸ்ஃபர் பண்ணிக்கலாம். சம்பாதிக்கும் போது கொஞ்சம் அலுமினியம் சேர்த்துட்டீங்கன்னா அந்த ரூபாயை வச்சு we can do some service. யாராவது படிக்க வைக்கலாம் பிள்ளைங்களை. Something like that we can do from this money. Thank you.
So we are issuing even an alumni ID card. ID card ready ஆயிருக்கு. Hopefully rounds ready ஆனதுக்கு அப்புறம் most of them courier கூட send பண்ணுவோம் அப்படின்னு கேக்குறோம். How we send the ID card உங்களுக்கு ready ஆனதுக்கு அப்புறம். So these are basic things about alumni session. Now once again I'll just explain about this convocation procedure கூட explain பண்ணிடுறேன். Few minutes வராதவங்க சீக்கிரம் கவனிச்சுக்கோங்க. First விஷயம் பாத்தீங்கன்னா சொன்னா once after this meeting gets over, this gown எல்லாம் ரெடியா போட்டுட்டு கீழ இருக்க போர்ட்டிகோ நிக்க போறீங்க. On 2 ways orderல right side வேற ஸ்டேஜ்ல ஜெனரேட் வரும். இப்போ என்ன பண்ணணும், லெஃப்ட் சைடுல மாத்துவாங்க with along with your rows. So same orderல நீங்க சீட்டிங் பண்ண போறீங்க. other than your gown, your handbag, your cell phones கிடையாது. அதெல்லாம் உங்க cell phones உங்க parents கொடுத்து வந்துருங்க. cell phones ஓ handbag allowed கிடையாது. சொன்னா உங்க குரூப்ல parents ஓட குரூப்ல அத பார்த்து சொல்ல லைவா வீட்ல இருந்து பார்க்கலாம். செகண்ட் மோஸ்ட் இம்பார்ட்டன்ட் திங் இஸ் so ஓகேங்களா? anyone any suggestions எல்லாமே இல்ல கிளியரா இருக்கா? கீழ டிஸ்கஸ் பண்ணலாம் in case பாத்துக்கலாம்.
Time ஆயிடுச்சு. 15 minutes time to some more.
your parents வந்து பாத்தீங்கன்னா மிச்சம் ஆல் ரிப்போர்ட் வச்சு அவங்க parents உட்கார்ந்துருவாங்க. அவங்க கைட் பண்ண ஆள் இருப்பாங்க, அவங்க போடுவாங்க, இன்ஃபார்ம் பண்ணுங்க. parents
நீங்க பொசிஷன் போய் முடிச்சதுக்கு அப்புறம் parents before let us all for second question.